Hey guys, today discuss about that Google AdSense about latest updates like in-pay ads, matched content ads, anchor ads, Vignity ads, and wild screen. So how is updating we can give by Google AdSense ads? So where you can find out this kind of ads? So how will be increase your particular ads earnings? In this one, any kind of website is earning will be here. That complete will be Google AdSense. So any kind of place your ads. So in this, different ads will be there. So where we can add will be present on the particular websites. So guys, this video you can watch completely. You can understanding the complete one. Second thing is called please share our videos will be into channel like share and subscribe our channel. Coming to this one, you have to select your particular website where it will be. The website will be called auto ads. In the auto ads, will be clicking option will be ad format. In-page ads, anchor ads, Vignity ads, and here while screen. And ad load will be here, minimum or maximum. So every will be coming to the manage. Any will be exclusive for particular option. But in this one, here ads that appear on screen wilder than 1000 pixel like desktop. In this auto ad will be completely dependent by the in-page ads, matched content, and anchor ads, Vignette ads, and widescreen. This all will be compulsory will be need. Anything will be does not match. The showing will be here. So in-pay ads will be in this option will be here. So this will be. So anything will be required. Just we have to enable for this option. Apply to the site. So this compulsory we have to enable by the each and every website where click for edit any website. What are the website you can click for edit? We have checked for two things. One is a mobile and the second will be desktop. So where we check for auto ads, optimize your existing ad unit here. Suppose not required, we can running for the new ads. Just you can click here, or the ad format will be here. See this one. So we'll be clicking this example. In this option will be here. Auto ads is came. So how to know that desktop. So we are in desktop. You can check will be desktop will be here in this. So you can open for the website. Ad show will be header into the option. Here will be ad. Here in the particular special offers. Here ad will be here. In this ad here. This all will be coming to where Google Ads in the particular AdSense. You can see this one. This all will be designed for in-page, matched content, anchor ads, Vignity ads. Everything will be here. In this option will be here. When I open this one, the ad will appear for in a particular option. So this all will be coming to the way into the Google AdSense updating ads. So what are the latest updates you can compulsory have to update on the Google AdSense for increasing for earning purpose. Increasing for earning purpose. Now you can see the page wise. So what are the frame will be there? Disable that frame. Here will be show this option. So where ad will be shown to customers, the ad to the show will be customers will be here. This compulsory we have to update or apply to your site. This every site is important to show your ads to increase our earning purpose. This update always keep it on mind to work out on the each and every website to increase the earning purpose. If any need about this Google AdSense, please comment me on the channel, or email me or WhatsApp me with me for the update, advance purpose, any assistance purpose.